So this is a short video for Level 1 ICT students who are preparing for the Level 1 ICT test. This video is only going to be looking at Section A of the test. You may use the internet for this section only. Students who have been preparing for the test know that for other sections of the test we cannot use the internet. We can only use the internet to have an internet search in Section A. Okay, so task 1, we're going to look at a place, it's a city in Switzerland called Wengen. Imogen Stansbury is the organizer of the winter sports holiday. She needs some information about Wengen. Open the file Responses November 12 Level 1. So this is the first thing we need to do. We have a bit of background. We know what the question is going to be about. This is the first thing we have to do. Open this file. Okay, and when we open the file, it's going to ask us to enter your name, candidate number, and center number. So I've already got this open, and I can see that I've got here, I need to enter my name, candidate number, center number, and I've also put today's date as well. Okay, so just for the purpose of this example, I'm going to put my name, Layla, let's say Peters. My candidate number, obviously I don't have a candidate number because I'm not a student. I'm just going to make one up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Center number, you will be given a center number when you're sitting the actual test, but for now we're just going to make up a center number 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9, and today's date I'm going to put the 25th of March 2020. Okay, so if I go back to my question asked me to open the file in the responses, November 12 Level 1, enter your name, candidate number, and center number, and I've done that. Okay. Use an internet search engine to find the height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. So the next thing I need to do is use an internet search engine. Internet search engine usually is Google, but some people might choose to use maybe Bing or other search engines. I'm going to use Google. And what do I need to find? I need to find the height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. So I need to remember these keywords of this question so I know what I need to type in my Google search. The height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. Okay. Yes, so I've decided to do a Google search. I'm going to type in, the question was, we need to find the height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. Now obviously other people have already searched for this, that's okay, but even if this option is not here, we still need to enter it in the box. Sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. I'm going to click on that. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to my question. Okay. So use an internet search engine to find the height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. We did that. We used our search engine and we put the keywords in. Show how you did this. So show how you did this by completing Responses November 12 Level 1, which is the same file. It's the file that we already have open. Show how you did this. How can I show how I did this? There are 3 ways that the test wants us to show how we did this. The first one is a screenshot of the search engine and keywords you typed in to find the website. So I need a screenshot of the search engine, which was Google, and keywords. Okay, so if I go back to my Google search, which is here, Here I have my search engine, which is Google. So my examiner can see that I used Google as the search engine. And these are the keywords that I used. Now I need to take a print screen. Print screen means whatever you can see on your screen will be taken like a picture. Now this screen is very big. It's quite big, it's quite large. We've got lots of information here that we do not need for this question. All I really need is just this little guy here, Google, and the keywords. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Control and plus sign on my keyboard. And when I do that, it's going to enlarge my page. And here we are. So when it says you need to take a screenshot is great, but we need to make sure that we know what we're taking the screenshot of. The picture I had before on my screen was really big, and I didn't need all that. The question is only asking me for my search engine, which is Google, and the keywords. So I enlarged my page. And what I did, the way I did that was press Control and the plus sign. So you hold the Control down and you keep pressing plus sign until your page gets bigger. And the plus sign is right next to your backspace key. So now this is what I have. Okay, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And print screen is a button on your keyboard, usually the very top row of keys, and it's usually around the delete and backspace button. It might be different on other keyboards, but usually that's where it is. I'm just going to press, there we go, just one press of print screen, and now everything on my screen has been taken as like a picture, and it's already been saved. So I took my print screen of my page previously, and here on my responses page it says paste a screenshot or print screen of the search engine, which was Google, and keywords. So I took a print screen. What I need to do here is left click with my mouse and I need to paste. And when I paste, everything that I had on my screen will be pasted here as a print screen. Now what I'm going to do, obviously this privacy reminder, review, remind me later, all these little icons down here, I don't need any of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop my image. And crop means when you cut out the pieces that you do not want. Okay, so what I've done is I have included all these, the whole toolbar in my video just to show you how I'm going to crop. So this is the image I said I wanted to crop. I don't need any of the extras here. So I'm going to click on my image. There we go. And you know you've selected your image when your mouse, can you see my mouse has got a bit of a plus sign? I've got this going on here and I've got these little dots all around my picture. That means I have selected my image. Okay. I'm going to go to the top here and I can see format. Whenever you select image, automatically format is highlighted. I'm going to go on format. As soon as I've clicked format, here I see crop. I'm going to press crop again, and as soon as I press crop, you can see that we've got these little black dots or black lines all around my image. Okay, I'm going to use these to be able to literally crop my image, which means take the pieces that I do not need and I'm going to cut them out. Just like that. Okay, I need to leave Google and I need to leave my keywords, but anything apart from that I do not need. Once I have finished and I'm happy with what I have, I take my mouse and I have to click anywhere else on the paper, and all I see right now is just the image that I have selected. All the extras have gone. So paste a screenshot of the search engine and keywords you typed in to find the website. Here it is. This is my screenshot of my search engine, which is Google, and these are my keywords. Okay. Okay, so I'm back to my exam paper, and I have taken a screenshot of the search engine and keywords, and I've pasted it on my exam paper. The height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. So I need to show information about the height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. Okay. I'm back to my search engine again. This is my Google, and these are my keywords. Now, in an ICT exam, unfortunately, we cannot use a Google answer. We have to go through a website. It cannot be a Google answer, and it cannot be Wikipedia, unfortunately. Obviously, these are very easy. It's very easy and accessible, but we cannot use these. What we have to do once we have the keywords, is we have to scroll down the page and come to an actual website that is not a Google website. If I click on here, it will take me to a page which is about Wengen. And if I scroll down, I've got pictures and that kind of thing. And here I can see Wengen is a village, and it's in Switzerland, yes, at an elevation of 1,274 meters above sea level. And that was my question. I needed to know the height above sea level. This is above sea level. How high? Elevation means height, 1,274 meters. So this is the information I need, that I need to write, or I can even paste, copy and paste into my exam paper. 1,274 meters. So here I am on my answer sheet. We've just pasted Google and the keywords. This is my next question. Height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland. And I remember it was 1,274 meters. Okay, so height above sea level of Wengen in Switzerland is 1,274 meters. I'm going to highlight that and make it a little bit bigger, possibly. Yes, that would be fine. Okay. And now I am up to my final question in section A, and that is full website address that you used. Another word for full website address is URL. So what website address did we use to find this information? Okay, so if you remember, we came here and we saw this information here, but the question is asking what web address, what URL did you use? So right here at the top, usually it ends with .com, .co.uk, maybe .net, anything. That is going to be my URL. So I'm going to click on it with my mouse. I'm going to right click and copy. I'm going to go back to my exam paper. Here we are, and I'm going to right click and paste. Okay, and that is my URL. Basically, that is the website address or URL that I used to find this information. And that's all it is. Okay, so we have got section A, task 1. We filled our name, candidate number, center number, etc. We've used an internet search engine to find specific information. We've pasted a screenshot of the search engine, which is this one, and the keywords. We've done that. We've cropped it also, so it's not extra information, and we've answered the questions. I hope you find this video useful. If there are any comments, please do let me know. Thank you.